Hello my lovelies, it's been a little while, but I am back with another delicious recipe. Today we're going to be making Tortitas de Arvejas or Split Pea Fritters. It's a family recipe brought to you by my dad today, so let's see how it goes. Let's begin. We start off by placing 2 cups of split peas in a pot and soaking it in water for 24 hours, roughly about 4 cups. After soaking it for 24 hours and changing the water twice, we're going to drain all that water and we're going to place it in a blender. Next, we're going to add in half a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 egg. We're going to crank that blender on high and we're going to blend. We want to get some sort of a mushy but thick and lumpy consistency, something like this. As you can see, we're going to get a very thick and lumpy batter. I'm using here a 1/4 cup measuring spoon, which is going to give me a decent sized fritter, not too small, not too big, and it'll be able to cook evenly. Also, I'm using some corn oil, but you could use any type of vegetable oil that you like. I want to make sure that my oil is not extremely hot because I don't want to burn my fritter. I want it to cook through. I'm going to fry each side for roughly about 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown, whichever comes first. And after 3 or 4 minutes on each side, I'm just going to drain everything on some paper towels so it could absorb any excess oil. And voila! We have our delicious Tortitas de Arvejas. This recipe is super easy, it's super fun, crunchy and crispy and flavorful. I love serving it with some curtido on top and sometimes with some tomato sauce, but let's see how it goes with my trusty volunteer. And I am back with my trusty volunteer.
Hello.
Hey!
Hi.
So today I have made for you, I've prepared pastelitos de arveja. So that is split pea fritter. And I put some curtido on top. So I want you to tell me and our viewers what it tastes like, what you like, and if I pass the taste test.
Okay. So.
A little bit of curtido. Here's a serviette if you need one.
Oh, I don't need it.
Okay. It's a little bit hot, so be careful.
Mmm. It's delicious.
Really?
Really soft.
Okay.
Fluffy.
Okay. But it's also quite crunchy, right?
But it's good.
It's good? Okay. Well, then I passed the taste test?
Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you. All right, then, everyone. I want to thank everybody for watching today. We're going to have new videos coming up soon. So be safe. Please subscribe and hit that notification button so that you never miss one of our videos. Thank you and bye-bye.